I'm very happy to be back here in badminton with Biosthetique Sam. He's in a very good form and the weather is beautiful, so I hope we can enjoy it. Yeah, that's new motivation. Fischer was really wonderful. She was fantastic and fighting and so strong. That was unbelievable. It was really nice. We missed one competition, so we had just one two-star before, but I think he had experience enough, and yeah, he feel very good in the training, and I think he's very strong.